Hello, I'm Louise and I'm the founder of the Cotswolds Sewing School. After a number of years of working as a soft furnishing maker, I set up the sewing school. From our studio in the Cotswolds, we have been delivering certified soft furnishing courses for the past 3 years. Knowing the joy that sewing has brought to me, I wanted to share this with others so they can experience it too. I've chosen to join the Academy at Just Fabrics to extend the opportunity to people in their own home, so you too can make beautiful, professional quality soft furnishings. Whether a complete beginner or a keen sewist, our courses will teach you new skills and tricks of the trade that will elevate your makes to the next level. I truly believe that anybody could do this. So join me, Louise, and let's get you started on your next project today.